What's up guys, everything in one here with another video. So, yesterday HMD officially releases Nokia 6 smartphone with new design. We already did a hands-on video of this device, don't forget to check that out. Nokia 6 second generation specs are similar to previous leaked ones, and design has also leaked before. Let's unbox this device today and take a first look at it. We already take a look at the box design and details, so it's time for check out what's inside this box. Removing up the box, first you will get the device itself. Checking out the other accessories, you will get a SIM ejector tool, some manuals and other warranty documentations. Talking about the main accessories, you will get a quick charger, which is really impressive quick. You will also get a USB Type-C cable. Now it's time to take a closer look at the Nokia 6 2018 edition. As we all know, Nokia phones are the perfect fit for people's habits, the new Nokia 6 as well. There are a lot of changes in this device as comparing to Nokia 6 previous generation. Compared to the previous generation Nokia 6, this Nokia 6 body is now more compact, screen share has been upgraded. This device continues the Nokia's high-quality materials. In terms of its design, Nokia 6 2018 uses 6000 series aluminum unibody, using diamond cutting and double color anodic oxidation process. According to Nokia official, this phone has got through 11 hours of polishing, very sturdy and solid, which can prevent breaking. Really, a decent job by Nokia, a thumbs up for Nokia is necessary. The phone feels pretty light and compact. I am sure that it will attract you towards it. The phone weighs about 175 grams, which is really a lightweight body. Talking about the dimensions, the phone measures a dimension of 148 x 76 x 8.6 millimeters. This phone is very sleek and slim, which gives a comfortable hand feel. The display of the phone looks very shiny, which looks elegant during light reflection on it. The phone shows good texture, with a strong and a durable design. No doubt, design or build quality of this phone deserves 10 out of 10. As for display, Nokia still uses a 16:9 aspect ratio in this device. It means no bezel-less design, but Nokia provides a 2.5D glass in this device. There's still a 5.5-inch, 1080p IPS LCD. There is no upgradation in aspect ratio. However, due to a smaller screen, the display of the phone shows more color and sharpness. As you can see, the color of the display looks sharp and vibrant. Even the display is clearly visible in a high sunny day. Overall, not a good display, even not a bad display. The second big change is the fingerprint reader. With the capacitive buttons gone, that means that the front fingerprint reader has been moved. It's now a rear fingerprint reader, placed directly below the rear camera setup. I don't know why they transferred the fingerprint sensor from front to back, since there is still space remaining at the bottom, thick bezels at the front. Let me know your opinions about this major change. Don't forget to answer my question in the comments section. Talking about the physical overview, the phone gets a dedicated 3.5mm headphone jack at the top. At the bottom, there is a USB Type-C port with speakers and mic receiver. The phone has hybrid nano SIM slots configuration. At the front, you will get call speakers, call sensor and the front 8-megapixel camera. rear fingerprint sensor is also very quick and responsive. Just touch it and unlock it. Now it's time to move on camera department. The rear camera of the new Nokia 6 features a 16-megapixel sensor with an f/2.0 aperture and dual LED flash. The camera is capable to take excellent pictures. Let's take a look at some camera samples and let me know what's your opinion about these camera samples in comments section. Now finally moving to hardware and software department. Also of note is that the Nokia 6 2018 packs an upgraded processor over its predecessor. While last year's Nokia 6 had a Snapdragon 430 chipset, the new Nokia 6 is rocking a Snapdragon 630 processor. The phone is running on Android 7.0 Nougat version. The phone doesn't have any custom UI. The phone is running on stock Android, which is very snappy and fluid. There is not even a single lag in this device, thanks to stock Android. No need of worry. This time company promises to get Oreo for this device as soon as possible. The phone have two RAM and ROM variants for a good multitasking experience. 4 GB of RAM, 32 or 64 GB of storage, and a micro SD slot for adding more storage. There's a 3000 mAh battery powering the whole package. The battery can provide a whole day usage. Gaming in this device is also amazing and fabulous with no lags at all. Let me know whether you will able to find lags during gaming. That's all guys. Nokia 6 2018 is really a perfect phone for budget lovers. I am sure that this phone is better than my horrible voice. Don't forget to hit the like button for this video and get subscribed to our channel for getting latest updates about technology. And, as always, keep watching and keep smiling.